pulling back here.
Locked by the X3.
How hard do you have to push that? Keep pushing the button.
About almost all the way. Which is how you have to do it on. Yeah, that's one. That's one. Comes with the suicide knob too.
Oh yeah.
But we're not going to put it on until the customer. So he can put it where he wants it.
A little more touchy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a little bit more touchy now. Yeah.
I know.
Standard Maverick. Took a little modification.
Yeah.
Grab a push that links it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Throttle and then what's brake?
Brake.
Brake. That's cool.
So the customer is going to pick where you want it, and then we're going to put it on. And if there's a person that's driving this machine that doesn't want this on here, all they got to do is press that red button, and the knob comes off, and this just stays on the steering wheel.
That is slick. Awesome.
So it mounts up on a bar way up in here. This little bracket, you might actually be able to see it, maybe. There it is. And then the bar comes out, and we have our handle, and then we have a rod that goes to the gas pedal, and then a rod that goes to the brake pedal.
So eliminate. So you could still use foot if somebody else was in there.
So if you're a normal driver, you can still use your regular pedals too at the same time.
And then back on the levers, throttle.
So gas and brake.
Gas and brake.
And if the vehicle is not in neutral or park, it won't start without pushing the brake. And this will also let it start if you push the brake.
And this is a universal correct that'll work on pretty much all UTVs for the most part?
For the most part, yeah.
So lever in. So lever in to start it.
Only if it's not in park or neutral.
Only if it's not in park or neutral. Okay.
Then
works pretty good.
And the brake lights work with it too.
Nice. Thanks, man. All right, folks, Sure Grip really is a big help for people that need it.